Wow, she is very good. She's very lucky. She's playing na for the
It's
game.
chocolate.
Ah, chocolate? It's not for playing pala that one. Why you eat all? Why you remove all?
I won.
For eating?
Yeah, it's chocolate, look.
Ah, so why you remove all? Last time you just stay in the talada, don't eat all. Sakit, you eat all.
Healthy.
Huh?
Healthy.
Help me.
I put this one in a
It's-
palazzo.
Kaya nga, put that one there. This one.
Put it.
Ano? Wala na, you remove all na. No more na. It's chocolate daw yan. Oh. Ayan oh. Return that one. Return. Why you put down? Return. It's like coins, that one. Return her. Don't make it dirty. Ano ba yan? Ay, naku. It's chocolate pala daw. Look. There is drawing yan. I think there is drawing. What is the drawing of the chocolate? Wala na, she's doing everything. Oh, look what she do now. She make display now. Ayan now. What this one? For what this one? Celine, don't put on the top this one, Celine.
One.
Kasi that one is for the Allah. That is a Bible. Put her. Nilagay na niya dito, display na daw niya. Oh, ayan, naka-display na. Oh, let's make display. Oh, ayan, naka-display na. Oh, yeah, she's very excited talaga. Thank you again, thank you. Shout out to all of us. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the subscriber. Mga subscriber of mine in my YouTube channel, nationwide and worldwide. Thank you again. Happy Sunday to everyone. Okay. Subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you. Thank you again. And this one is the hadiah also. I don't know for who. Ayun no. From the school. She bring this one when she arrived from the school. She is holding this one already. Hadiah daw yan. Ewan ko. Thank you again. Thank you and bye. Merry Christmas as all.